Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your laptop's OS and bit version so the installer matches. This prevents driver and adapter errors. Next, pick a reputable VPN provider for speed, privacy, and a usable server list, because the provider determines encryption and logging. Once done, download the provider app for your OS, or if you prefer manual setup, grab the OpenVPN or IKEv2 config files. Keep your username and password handy. You'll need them immediately during installation. You run the installer with administrator rights, so the VPN can add virtual adapters and firewall rules without interruption. Then configure the protocol, WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, IKEv2 for mobile resilience, because protocol choice impacts security and performance. Make sure to enable the kill switch and split tunnel settings if needed, since these control traffic leaks. Next, pick a server based on latency and purpose. Choose a nearby server for speed, or a specific country for access to region-locked content. You connect to the chosen server and then verify that your public IP and reported location have changed. This proves the tunnel is active. Once connected, run a quick DNS leak and speed test to ensure DNS queries route through the VPN and throughput meets your needs. If latency exceeds 100 ms, try a different server. If the VPN won't connect, restart the virtual adapter, reinstall the VPN network driver, and, if necessary, contact support. These steps resolve most connectivity and routing problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.